In this Merry Christmas beginner tap dance lesson tutorial, you're going to learn a short combination to the song Merry Christmas by Ed Sheeran and Elton John. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. And I have good news. From now up until Christmas Day, we will have a huge sale. Everything in the store is 25% off. We almost never do this. So again, from now till Christmas at UnitedTaps.com, everything is 25% off. So hop on over, get some great stuff. We have lessons, we have workouts, we have choreography, a tap dictionary, just a ton of great stuff. So check it out. All right, let's jump right in, shall we? Starting with the right foot, you have step, heel, touch, step, heel, touch. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. From here, stamp, 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 spank, step, spank, step. Again, that new part was stamp, 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 spank, step, spank, step. Beautiful. Let's connect it all from the top. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. One more time, my friends. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From here, your left foot's free. You have step, shuffle, ball change, right buffalo, grapevine. Again, that was, ready, go. Step, shuffle, ball change, right buffalo, grapevine. One more time with some counts. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8. Super, let's connect that from the top. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Step, shuffle, ball change, right buffalo, grapevine. Oh yes, we'll do it again. Absolutely. From the top. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8. Let's do that one more time and then we'll go on. From the top. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8. From here, your right foot's free. We're going to do right foot cramp roll, spank back, step apart. Then left foot cramp roll, spank back, step apart. I'll call that a back essence, but I'm going to say the specific names of the parts for now. So again, that's right foot cramp roll, spank back, step apart. Then left foot cramp roll, spank back, step apart. Let's do it again with counts. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. It's real important when you do that spank back that you shift your weight to that back leg. If you shift your weight, then it'll be easy to step apart afterwards. If you haven't shifted your weight, it'll mess up which foot to go next. So let's do that cramp roll again. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yes, I did speed up. You did not imagine that. It really happened. I'm going to do it again because we got to work up that speed. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. One more time. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now that's coming out of step, shuffle, ball change, right buffalo, grapevine. Right foot cramp roll, spank back, step apart. Left foot cramp roll, spank back, step apart. So let's practice connecting those two pieces together. Starting from step, shuffle, ball change. I'll count you in. 5, 6, ready, go. Step, shuffle, ball change. Right buffalo, grapevine. Right foot cramp roll, spank back, step apart. Left foot cramp roll, spank back, step apart. Absolutely, we're going to do that same thing again. 5, 6, same spot, go. Step, shuffle, ball change. Right buffalo, grapevine. Right foot cramp roll, spank back, step apart. Left foot cramp roll, spank back, step apart. Super! Let's go from top and connect it all so far. 5, 6, ready and go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. How about we do it again? I thought you might agree. Here we go from the top. 5, 6, ready, go. Step, heel, touch, step, heel, touch, stamp, 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 spank, step, spank, step, step, shuffle, ball change, right buffalo, grapevine, right foot cramp roll, spank, back, step apart, left foot cramp roll, spank, back, step apart. We're almost to the end. From here, your right foot's free. Scuffle, step, scuffle, step, 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 scuffle, step, scuffle, step, 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 drag. Yes, I'll do it again. That was scuffle, step, scuffle, step, 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 scuffle, step, scuffle, step, 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 drag. How about some counts with that? 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Super! Let's try connecting the whole thing. You got this. 5, 6, beginning, go. Step, heel, touch, step, heel, touch, stamp, 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 spank, step, spank, step. Step, shuffle, ball change, right buffalo, grapevine. Right foot cramp roll, spank, back, step apart. Left foot cramp roll, here comes new part. Scuffle, step, step, step. Scuffle, step, 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 drag. Tell you what, why don't we practice the transition from the left foot cramp roll, spank, back, step apart into scuffle, step, step, step. Because I'm guessing if you had any trouble that last run through, it was that transition right there. So from the left foot cramp roll, 5, 6, ready, go. Left foot cramp roll, spank, back, step apart, then scuffle, step, scuffle, step, scuffle, step, drag. Why, yes, we'll do that again. Same spot, left foot cramp roll. 6, ready, go. Left foot cramp roll, spank, back, step apart, then scuffle, step, scuffle, step, scuffle, step, drag. That should help smooth out the transition. Let's do it one more time from the top all the way through. 5, 6, beginning and go. Step, heel, touch, stamp, stamp, spank, step, spank, step. Step, shuffle, ball change, right buffalo, grapevine. Right foot cramp roll, spank, back, step apart. Left foot cramp roll, spank, back, step apart. Scuffle, step, scuffle, step, scuffle, step, drag. Beautiful. We're going to try it with music. Before we do, if you're having a good time and enjoying yourself, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and take a brief moment and just drop a comment down below. It helps us here on YouTube. What you like, what you don't like, what you might want to see in the future, any questions you have. Just drop that comment down below. I'll give you a second to do that right now. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. All right, so again, the song we're using is Merry Christmas by Ed Sheeran and Elton John. And we're going to be starting at 1 minute and 33 seconds into the song. I think we're going to start maybe 10% under and make sure everything's running smooth. Then we'll work our way up to real speed. All right, so here we are. Let's try 10% under. 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll that all again, same speed, 10% under. If it's feeling slow, just hang tight. We'll be at a real speed before you know it. Here we go. Same speed for now. 5, 6, ready, go. this speed, then we'll bump it up a little bit. Here we go. Are you having fun smiling? I hope so. 5, 6, ready, and go. All right, so let's boost it now to minus 5%. So it's a 5% jump. And it'll feel a little faster, but hopefully it won't leave you in the dust. It should still be reasonable. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Quicker, but not crazy. We'll roll that again. Same speed. Yes, we're working our way up to real speed, and we will get there. My overachievers, so hang tight. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. We're going to jump to real speed. I think you're ready. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Feels faster, there's no doubt about it. Here we go again, real speed, have some fun, smile, enjoy yourself. 5, 6, 7, 8. Time, my friends. One more. Make it your best yet. Good luck and enjoy. 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. I'm going to roll it one more time with the music facing you. You're not expected to do with me. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front if all goes well. While I have you here at unitedtaps.com, we've got lessons, workout videos, tap dance dictionary, practice exercises, choreography, music, across the floor combinations. We have a little bit of everything. And we also have great packages that put everything together. So if you want, you're like, oh, I want a little bit of this and a little bit of this and a little bit of that, our packages will do that. And I think you'll have a great time with those. So be sure to hop on over to unitedtaps.com and check it out. The people who go there and purchase, that's what supports this channel and my work. So if you can purchase something, it helps me keep bringing all this content to you. All right, here we go. Facing the camera. Let's see how it goes. Thank you all so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a fantastic time. Again, if you did, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, and drop a comment down below. If you didn't do it before, I'll give you a second to do it right now. Thank you so much. And of course, be sure to hop on over to unitedtaps.com. We have just tons and tons of tap content. Even if you're not a customer there, if you have a tap question, you can always email me directly, rod@unitedtaps.com, and I'll answer that regardless. So you can always reach out to me. Thank you again for tapping with me. I really appreciate it. I, of course, am Rod Howell from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.